Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming back on today with 3 more challenge entries. Yay! I'm so excited that you guys were so motivated and was ready to whip out your supplies and join in on this challenge. So this next entry is from Robin, and this is how her package came. So I'm going to take it out of the box. And here is her note, and it says, "Hi Erica, thanks for allowing me to enter your challenge. You were one of the very first YouTubers that inspired me, so thanks for that. Be blessed, hugs, Robin." Oh, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Now look how her mini loaded bag came. She has it in this really pretty box. How super sweet. I love that. I'll have to save the box and reuse it. That's a really pretty idea. Okay, so here is the mini loaded bag. And let me just zoom in so we can take a look. She's got it decorated so pretty with this pretty paper, the dimensional butterflies. Look at that, it's really pretty. All right, let's look at her memory decks card. And she's got a pinwheel on it with this really pretty glitter paper. It says, "Blowing wishes your way." Oh, that's so sweet. How creative is that? All right, let me look at the back. And she is on YouTube. And there's her name, Robin Dickerson. I'm sorry. And then her YouTube is Craftsiheart. And I will, and she's also on Instagram as Planned Craft Love, and I'll link her information in the description box below so you guys can show her some love and see what she is creating. But look, and her pinwheel, it moves. How super cute is that? Adorable memory decks card. Thank you. All right, let's look at her baking tags. Let me pull this out. And oh my gosh, look at, she sent me some goodies, you guys. Oh, these are really pretty buttons, and then there's some charms. There's some mixing charms. Oh, look at the cookbook and the little mixer. Thank you, thank you. Yay. I love that. Thank you for the goodies. So sweet. And these are her 2 baking tags. Look how super cute. I think she did some Mod Podge, and I'm not really sure what she used, but it's some really cute cupcake paper, and she's got a pretty bow on the bottom. And then look at the little charms on the top, the little tablespoons. Super cute. Oh, so that's her first tag. And then here is her second tag. And again, she's got a cute little charm. It's a mixer on the top. How adorable. I'll have to see how she made that. It's really neat. I think it's some type of Mod Podge or glue or something, but super, super adorable. So thank you for your tags. And then she sent me these really cute stickers, and I see a really cute fox. Yay, I love foxes. And look at the panda bear and the super cute kitties. Oh, this is a fun set. Thank you so much. And I like using these kind of stickers in my planner and to decorate Happy Mail. So thank you for that goodie. I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for participating. And it says, "Handmade with love by Robin, Craftsiheart." Oh, thank you so much, sweetheart. All right, I'm going to put her entry off to the side, and I'm going to move on to the next entry. And we're going to find out who this one is from. So we're going to start off with the card. Look how super cute. All right, let's see. And this is from oh my goodness, I don't want to say your name incorrectly. It's Yaleicly Ramos, and I apologize if I'm saying your name wrong, but it says, "Dear Erica, thanks for hosting a fun and creative challenge. I hope you enjoy the items I made and the extra goodies I sent for you. Congrats on reaching 11,000 subbies. Take care and God bless you and your family. Your new friend, Yaleicly." Oh, I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure. But there's her YouTube channel and her Instagram. And of course, I will link the information in the description box below so you guys can find her. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, sweetheart, for participating. And I cannot wait to see what you created. So let's take it out of the package. And here is her, oh my gosh, this is her mini loaded bag. And let me just pull this off to the side and let's focus. Make sure, there we go. Look how packed it is. Now you went way above and beyond, but look how super cute her bag is, you guys. She used that really cute authentique paper, and it says, "Let your inner domestic goddess shine." And she's got all this fun trim and baking utensils. It's so cute. I love it. How adorable. Okay, so let's take out her tags. And oh my gosh, she made a ton. Thank you so much, sweetheart. Okay, so let's start with this one right here. It's got a cute cupcake stand, and it says "with love," and it says "sweet." And then she's got a really pretty burlap bow and some really pretty ribbon on the top. Oh, that's super cute. Thank you so much. And then she's got this one, and it says "with love." I'll have to make some chocolate chip cookies. And she's got her cute mixer, and again, that cute bow. And then we have another mixing tag with all the kitchen utensils. And she's got some stickers with a little enamel heart. Really, really pretty. And then, oh, look at this one, has macaroons, and it's like a sticker. And she's got bling and a pretty doily. Really, really cute. And I like the paper. And then here's another one using the dimensional stickers. And it says "with love." And then this last one says "kiss the cook." That is super cute. Love that. And that one has a little bit of bling, and again, some really pretty fun trim. I like the iridescent trim. It's gorgeous. Thank you so much for all of these tags. You were only supposed to make 2. Oh my gosh, but you guys are so super sweet. Okay, and look at the bag. It has my name on a banner. It says Erica. Oh, that's so pretty. Thank you for doing that. I love my name in bling, and who doesn't? Okay, let's try and here's her memory decks card. And look how super cute it is. And she's got all these sweet treats and the donuts and the dimensional stickers. Look how that looks. Look how pretty. Oh, thank you for that. Look at all the tiny stickers down there. Super cute. Oh, and it says "made with love, Yaleicly Ramos." Oh, thank you so much, sweetheart. I love that purple too on the back. How cute. And then, oh my gosh, she has all these goodies in here. Let's see what else is in here, you guys. Oh my goodness. Beautiful bag. I love that paper. Okay, so she's got, I think, okay, here's her actual, so she made 2 memory decks cards. Oh, you're so super sweet. So here is her memory decks card with all of her information. But look at all the beautiful layers that she has on it. Gorgeous flower, gorgeous trim. That's so pretty. Some tulle and all these dainty flowers. It's gorgeous. Thank you so much. How creative is that, you guys? And the lady's holding a flower. Beautiful. And she included a picture, and there she is. And let me just make sure we're focused. But there's her information, and I will make sure to leave her information in the description box below. Thank you so much, sweetie, for participating, and you are a beautiful lady. Oh my gosh, thank you, thank you. And then she's got this in here. It says "sweet love yum." How cute is that? Let's see what's in here. Oh, and she got some handmade embellishments. Thank you. These are pretty. Look at the cake stand. Oh, that's gorgeous. And then these ones have cupcakes. How sweet. Thank you for that. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. I'll definitely use those. And then look at this one. It says "delight yum." Oh my goodness, how cute. And then look at all the cookies. Oh, that is so sweet. So she made me all these cookies. So now I'm gonna have to bake chocolate chip cookies and add them to tags. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. This is really nice. I can tell that she distressed and she did a lot of work on this. So thank you so much for those. That is so sweet. And then, oh my gosh, it just keeps going. I love the glitter spatulas. Love, love, love. And I like how you added the bow right there. And the washi tape, it's so pretty. What's in this one? You spoiled me. Oh my goodness. She has all these spatulas in different colors. You guys have me set. Oh my gosh, there's even some with glitter. Thank you so much. Yay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create little, like an embellishment box with all the little goodies that you've given me. excuse me. That way I can see what I have and so I can use it. So thank you so much. That's so sweet. I love that. And then, oh my gosh, there's one more with the super sweet mixer and it says Delight. Oh my gosh. This one has mixers in it. Oh, look at that. And all these pretty colors. They're already cut. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Yay. I am going to be set on baking embellishments for sure, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So sweet. Thank you. Thank you. And then she sent me all of these adhesive words. And I remember picking them up at Michael's, but I think I gifted them to somebody, probably Armene. Thank you for that. I will use those. Now I have my own. Yay. And then she has even more embellishments for me to use with this pretty paper. Oh my goodness. And I'm pretty sure this is, oh my gosh. What is this? This is, I know it's like authentic. It's not authentic. And now I'm just drawing a blank, but I know the line. Oh my gosh, these are like postcards. How cute. Thank you so much for those extra goodies. And you guys, if that wasn't enough, she sent me all these stickers. So this one is a Jolie's Boutique one. Oh, that's so super sweet. She sent me this super cute one. Oh my gosh. This one, I don't have any of these. So sweet. And oh, some purple heart bling. Oh, yay. I love these in different sizes. And then she sent this one. Yay. Thank you so much. You are so super sweet to send all these goodies. Oh my goodness. All right, please show these ladies some love. Check out their YouTube, their Instagram. Leave them a comment. Tell them what you think. And I will be back to share with you more entries. Thank you for watching today's video. And I will see you guys soon. Bye for now.